Welcome back, KASPA lovers. In this video, we're gonna talk KASPA. Is KASPA dead? That's the questions people are asking themselves. And we're here to tell you that it's not dead, it's just bearish. It's kind of dead it's gonna be dead probably as long as it's below the 50-week MA. Okay. This is the difference between a bull, okay, above it, bullish, below it, bearish. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, this is the point of control. As long as the price is below the 50-week and the 50-week angle is sloping down, bears are in complete control. If the price is above the 50-week and the bulls and the angle is going up, the bulls are in complete control. Okay, you can see how it got rejected here 3 times already on the weekly chart in the last year, pretty much 3 major rejection, and now it's coming down. And KASPA, we believe, is going to stay in a bear market for many more months. It just broke this. You can see this trend line. It's very similar to what we had here, a trend line like this. Okay, and you had a big smack in the face. You broke that, big smack in the face. Now we're expected to come down, to keep coming down, through moving into 2026. We believe KASPA is gonna come down and probably base around the 1 cent for its first base. Now, if it will lose the 1 cent, we're gonna talk about the next base, probably around the half a cent or maybe even a tenth of a cent. We'll keep you posted. But this is not good. Okay, KASPA is kind of cooked now. Okay, let's look on the daily chart. You can see daily chart cannot bounce, cannot break above the 200-day. Oh, I just had another death cross now. Look at this. Just got another death cross. 50 crossing below the 200. Bears are in complete control. That flash crash here, okay, that's not bullish. Okay, people think it's bullish. It's not bullish. Flash crash, people lost money, investors capitulate, whatever, liquidity coming out of KASPA. KASPA will keep going down as long as it's below, as long as it can't break above these moving averages. It's gonna keep going down, man. It is what it is. You don't want to be buying KASPA. You don't want to be buying KASPA. Wait for it to bottom out, go sideways, and start an uptrend. Then buy. Don't buy a downward trend. You're going to lose everything. You already lost everything if you've been buying or accumulating KASPA, accumulating at the top. You already lost everything. So it's enough. You don't need to lose more. You don't need to buy more of this crap coin. Okay. It will bottom out at some point. We'll have a bull run. But at the moment, there is nothing to touch it, mate. Absolutely nothing. Let's look on the regular scale. Okay. By the way, just to keep you posted. Look, KASPA is still where it's at now, at around the 5 cent mark. It's still extremely overvalued. You think it's undervalued, but you're absolutely wrong. This is absolute overvaluation. It's up. It's still up from its beginning days, in 2022, it is up 224% x, 224x, all these people, insiders, projects, developers, investors, early investors, you think they're buying now? Nah, they are selling, and the price will keep collapsing till they will stop selling. They're still up a ton, and this is a clear distribution. Now we have, if you look at the regular scale, show you what I'm watching here. Okay, so you have this distribution. That's your top. Okay, now we formed another top. That's nasty, man. That's nasty. You can see that's a top of like 15 months. That's another top of, I don't know, what is it, like 6 months, something like that, from February till October. 6 months broke down. Bearish. That's bearish. So we expect, okay, that wick here, it tells you where it's probably going. Price probably, we believe, gonna drop there, in the coming months. Probably gonna bounce. Will be a good opportunity maybe to trade for the long side. just for a fake out, then it's probably gonna bottom out again, and then we'll see if it can bottom out or will go to the next leg down. Remember, KASPA is overbought. It's in the big picture. It is extended. And remember, crypto coins, okay? Crypto coins, it doesn't matter if it's KASPA, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, they are all bunch of crap. When Bitcoin trigger a bear market, they are all bunch of crap. Now, if Bitcoin trigger a bear market, there is a risk KASPA will stay bearish for till Bitcoin will bottom out, okay? And yeah, coins can go on a bear market for, look, the bull market on KASPA technically started here in July 2022, okay, and finished at August 2024. That's 2 years. Now the bear for KASPA technically started here on the lower high, okay? The lower high, let's make it here, or at the top, let's call it here, the top here, okay? So currently at in 1 year of a bearish trend, and actually in my opinion the real bear started here in this year, January 2025, once it dropped below the top, okay, once it lost the support. So technically, it's still early bear. It can be in a bear for 2 years. Coins can go on a 2-year bear market, 3 years bear market, man. Remember, the coins, after they have the first cycle, let's look on ADA, for example. Let's look on XRP, okay? XRP. Okay, I just want to show you. Okay, look at XRP, this chart. Okay, so look, this is XRP. All right. Okay, what is XRP? Yeah, XRP. Okay, so look, that's a weekly chart. Look, that's XRP, the first top of 2017. Okay, it collapsed. Then you had a 2020, 2021 bull run, very choppy, filthy bull run. Okay, so till the start of the bull run here, okay, in March 2020, okay, and it topped on January 18. Okay, so that was all 2018, it was bearish. All 2019, it was bearish. And then only on March, it started to pump. Okay, that's XRP. Now look at, for example, ADA, this cycle, okay? This one, almost this chart, there we go. Look at ADA, this cycle, okay? That's last cycle, okay, 2021 top in September, okay? ADA topped in September 2021, went on a bearish market all the way till October 2023. That was a pathetic bull run. A pathetic bull run. And that was another pathetic bull run. Okay, so, even though it completed this, probably completing the cycle now, this current cycle, you had no new highs of the last cycle. Okay, so all these KASPA moon boys, they are expecting their KASPA to go nuclear, while if you look on history, man, coins can underperform many years after their first blowout insanity bull market. And maybe KASPA is different. Maybe KASPA is the next Ethereum or the next Solana or the next Bitcoin. Maybe. But if you look on the history, statistically speaking, all the Ponzi coins, they are Ponzi's, they are failing on their second cycle. They are very weak and pathetic. They're not making new highs over the first cycle. Hope you got my point, sir. Thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe to this channel. This channel will keep you posted in the bear, in the bull, in the chop all the time. Smash the like, subscribe. If you want to join our VIP, we're working, man. Crypto is our life, is our work. We extract gains consistently. It doesn't matter if it's bull or bear or flare or schmear, okay? We're here to collect profits from the market. If you like to collect profits from the market consistently, trade it, okay? Trade it professionally. Consider joining our VIP membership. It's dirt cheap. You can also take a lifetime membership. Drop me an email if you like to pay with crypto. And man, join us. If Bitcoin trigger a bear market, the only way to make ROI in a bear market, bling bling, is by shorting. And it's not hard. It's very easy. I have video on how to short KASPA, how to short crypto. Okay, you can also watch the videos, there is tutorials on my channel in the description on how to short, or just search my channel and short it. Check out the Bitunix account, the best exchange to short crypto. And yeah, man, if you want to join our VIP, we're smoking it. Doesn't matter. We had an amazing October. We had 5 or 6 coins that went more than a double in a few days in October. Now, if Bitcoin would trigger a bear, we're going to short the F out of this market. It's going to be amazing ROI opportunity for us. If you want to join, you are welcome. You join our VIP, check it out, test it out 1 month, 2 months, see how it is. You might find it amazing place to be, a community that will guide you, protect you, and lead you toward a better financial future. Have a good one. Cheers.